Hello guys, this is doing an follow-up review. Kyros 7015. I have had the device for a couple days now, and might I say I'm very impressed with it. Okay, just trying to make sure I can record and get a good picture all at the same time. Alrighty, so let's get started. I recently rooted it. I was not satisfied with it until I rooted it. Just to show you a quick couple features of root access. With root access, you get nice amount of features. First feature you'll notice I have is a rooted ROM, and the rooted ROM allows me to get all my applications. So I have a couple applications you guys don't have, as far as Gmail, which is a very important app. Another great app I have is the Market. Okay, let me connect to my Wi-Fi real quick. I'm sorry about that, guys. Alrighty, and another app I also have is the Market. Sorry about that again. And the Market gives you access to all your favorite applications, and it brings the tablet to its full functional capabilities. And a couple of them full functional capabilities is like Documents to Go, which is a great app. Another another good app is Talk. If you guys instant message each other a lot, this is also a pretty good app. Just another good thing you get about this is I've thrown ADW on it, launcher, guys. Have Twitter on it now. The auto rotate function is still great on it. You see, I'm currently having a little tug of war with it on my lap. So I've thrown ADW on it. I have my Wi-Fi. I have everything. My widgets, my search bar. I've thrown a honeycomb theme on it, and that's why I have the look it has now. Developers are currently working on honeycomb, for telechip devices. It should make you feel good. I definitely feel good to say that. I know the Kyros will be getting it one day, as far as honeycomb, seeing as they ported it to the G1. So we definitely have enough, processor speed to successfully run it. I also have maps on here. Rooting this is a very, very easy process, and I'm actually going to help you guys right now within my review. Alrighty, so the first thing you want to do is go to Google. Google will always be your best friend. And what you want to go ahead and do when you go to Google is just go to sorry about that, guys. Go to routing. So first thing we do is Coby. Alrighty, and once you get that in, you just go ahead and hit your search key to bring it up. Keep in mind, you can do all this on your phone. You never need to use a computer. I know I don't. So you'll find the Ultimate Beginners tab at the beginning. Open that link up, and once you get there, the not the XDA, but the Android tablet formal. That looks just like this. Now what you guys want to do is just download the APK that says rooting your tablet. We'll send you to xda.com, XDA developers, and you just gotta log in. Get the XDA and you reach this formal, just go down, and what you're gonna get is this application right here, Z4. Okay, the Z4 mod is the trick to the rooting. Another way you can root that has also been found out, a lot of Coby 7015s have been shipped out already rooted. For those of you who are very good with you can actually just ADB super user and install it. But those of you who aren't too good with code, I definitely recommend just downloading this app. It makes life way more easy. Now if you reach this era where you can't open the APK, no problem. All you have to do is download a file manager from AppsLib. I recommend the manager from AppsLib. On the other hand, I'm going to use Astro. Alrighty. So now once you get in Astro, all you want to do is go in, and let me show you guys. You go in to your downloads. Mine is under NAND download. Yours should be under the same. You will see it in your file manager. Just select it, open App Manager, install it. Once installed, all you're going to do is open this thing up. It will send you to a screen. My screen is going to be fairly different, seeing as mine is alright. Nope, actually it's the same. It should be. Okay, there we go. So my screen will be fairly different just for the simple fact I'm already rooted. But if you've seen the screen I just had before I super user, that's where it'll get you. I know you guys are probably wondering, why did the super user pop up to the point where now I'm into my super user now? What the application does is it checks to see if you have root access, and it checks by launching a super user request. When denied, it knows you do not have root access, and it sends you to a screen where it says permanent root or temporary root. What you guys want to select is permanent root. Once you get to your once you get root access, it'll throw on super user, and you will have an option in the future to reroute it or unroot it. Rerouting it if something goes wrong, and unrooting it just in case you want to go back to stock. Alrighty. Now after installing that application, you won't necessarily be ready to flash applications yet, and I mean not applications but ROMs yet. So in order to flash ROMs, the next step you need to do is go ahead and download Terminal Emulator, and you also need to download Stefan's BusyBox. And okay, and once installed, you just want to go and select your Terminal Emulator. Once you get into your Terminal Emulator, do one of two things: hold your menu button for your soft keyboard to pop up, or just plug in the keyboard. First thing you're going to type in is SU.